Hi. Hi guys, are you okay? I hope so. In this occasion, I want to review or unboxing uh, my product. This is a planner machine. Uh, is it recommended or not? I don't know. Let's go. We review. The wood planner machine brand that I review this time is modern type M-2900. I got this wood planner machine for 375,000 Indonesian rupiah. You can buy this machine on online shop or shop building. The specification of this machine included a width of 82 mm, 1 mm depth of star saving, 450 watt power, 220 volt electricity, 1060 rotary per minute, and weight of 2.5 kilogram. Well, see what's inside. First, we get the mal for fitting the walls so they don't tilt. The second, we also get a tool for the handle when sharpening the belt of the roasting machine, and then this is the key to T, turn for removing and attaching the blade, and the next is the grid and the looking board. This grid we use then when we create windows and door. Okay, we continue with the unit. Here it is the modern M-2900 wood planner machine. This planner machine feels quite heavy. This is quite heavy, maybe because this is the first time I'm holding a wood planner machine. The weight is 2.5 kilogram. For the quality of the material is quite good and sturdy. The bars is very smooth and shiny, such as famous brands. Then we are also given a bonus blade 82 mm, but usually bonus blade don't last long, so you have to buy them again at a price range of 100,000 Indonesian rupiah. With a price this we already get wood planner blade with good quality. Next, I want to discuss the cables. The cables material is standard, but the cables length is 1.5 meter. Wow, is quite long. Okay, then the erosion depth adjust knob. Here it say 0 mm, 0.5 mm, and 1 mm. For the switch is equipment with a lock button, so we can start this machine for a long time. This is in my opinion, the advantage of this modern brand M-2900 drawstring machine are cheap. The quality is quite good, and the spare parts are easy to find. Even small building shops will certainly provide spare parts for machine from this modern brand. Okay, now let's try the performance. Oh, don't forget, before starting the machine, we must first check whether the blade is securely attached or not. If not, we take it first to prevent things that are not make it tight. Okay, let's test the sound. It ran out very smooth. We will try to plan this wood. This wood is done good. I will try to plan this wood. It turns out that with the blade from the factory, the Wi-Fi wood becomes smooth. Okay, guys. That was a review of the modern M-2900 wood planer machine. I really recommended this machine for you. Okay, thank you.